Do you want to download your Canva slides for edit in your PowerPoint? Let me show you how. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can download your presentation in PowerPoint so that you can edit, you can open in your desktop without having any internet connections. So let's get started. So all I have to do, I will just select this template in here, and I will select presentation, and whatever format is I mean template is looking good to me and suits with me, I will choose that one. I have already opened this too, and I personally I will like this one. uh, as you can see here, here is the presentation. So what I'll do, I will just click on share and click download, and after selecting in here, we can see there is two kind of option we have found it. So let's just take a look at this one. Select pages. You can download the entire, select all, or you can download specific pages you need. Maybe if you just select all pages 1 to 14, and these both are same, or if you just select, maybe I don't need page 3, page 7, page 9, and after pressing the done, as you can see 1 to 4 to 6, 8, 10 to 14. This is how you can customly download it. But I will need all of them, so I will select all, and file type, under the file type I will select PPTX. After selecting the PPTX, I will just click on download, and it will prepare my document, and it's done. So I will just click in the PPTX which I have downloaded. As you can see, all of the slides are downloaded properly. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and I will catch you up in the next one.